Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to update billing address on ESPN Bet. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your ESPN Bet app, and once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account as well with your username or email and password. Now once you're done with that, here on the top right corner of the screen you'll be seeing your profile icon right here. Simply tap on that, and now once you tap on that, you'll be sent to your account or my accounts screen. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is scroll all the way down and then locate billing address or payment methods. All you gotta do now is just simply tap on that, and once you're inside there, what you need to do in order to update your billing address is simply tap on the plus icon shown on the screen. Tap on the plus icon, or simply change the old one by simply updating with the newer detail. And keep in mind that you need to verify your identity by using a government issue ID like driver's license, and your address and your utility statements like bank statements as well. So once you're done with that, all you gotta do is follow the on-screen instructions to successfully update your billing address. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.